Hi creative friends, Sonia here from Sustain My Craft Habit. I've always wanted to have my very own boxwood wreath hanging on my front door. I just think it's so fresh and green and pretty no matter what time of the year it is. So I finally got it done and I'm going to show you exactly how to make your own. Even though it's the middle of winter here in southwestern Ontario and there's snow just about everywhere, I managed to get outside with the help of my mom and trim some boxwood bushes that she had on her property. With my boxwood clippings in hand, I found a grapevine wreath to reuse and some floral wires and my snippers, and that's all it took to make this pretty boxwood wreath. So with that said, let's get started. Okay, so when I'm picking these bunches, this is too big. Obviously it looks really large, so I'm gonna trim it down into smaller bunches. And then if there's any dry leaves, I'm just gonna shake them out. And then I'm gonna trim down the leftover piece into smaller bunches as well. Some of them need to be grouped together, like I was doing to make this. So something like that is a good amount of fullness. And then I'm gonna layer it onto the wreath as I go. For the ones that have really loose pieces, I like to secure them to each other first, and then I'll take this bunch and then attach it to the grapevine. So a piece like this that's all attached without any loose pieces are actually kind of nice. You can sometimes just work them in without even using a wire, like that. If you think it's secure, you don't even need to attach it with wire. It's a little bit flat on the underside, so I'm going to insert some behind. Now that I have my wreath form completely covered with the greens, I'm going to just go around, and I've cleaned up the whole area, and I'm just going to give it a bit of a trim. Some of the pieces that look a little bit uneven, maybe one side is a bit fuller than the other, and I'm just going to cut them down. I'm also going to look at some places where there's missing or some gaps, like right here I can see the grapevine, so I'm gonna use some of my leftover pieces. And then I'm gonna work them into the grapevine. If I need to use the wire, I'm going to grab it and secure it a little bit better. This is a bit loose here. You can also hang it up on the wall or on your door and then give it a trim. You might have a better view of any pieces that look a little bit off or wonky. But that's it. I think it's pretty much done. Just going to clean it up a little bit and then it's ready to be hung. Really hope you enjoyed that video. If you love making wreaths as much as we do, you can check out some of our other videos that we have on our YouTube channel. We have an Easter wreath that we made using and reusing those plastic eggs that we have so much from because of all the Easter egg hunts we've had with the kids. We have a really pretty scrap fabric heart wreath that we also made that's perfect for Valentine's Day. And we even have a really beachy coastal wreath that we made using seashells. So be sure to check out those videos on our YouTube channel. For more nature-inspired DIYs and craft ideas, check out our blog at sustainmycrafthabit.com. If you haven't already, please give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, stay safe. Bye for now.